Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And in this video will be a unboxing video. So I thought I saw this on another person's YouTube channel, and they were promoting this market, and I was like, let me look at it. And some of their materials were really good, and they had really good reviews, because I'm all about reviews. Always look at the reviews and make sure they have like a good amount of views. So it's called Thrive Market. There you go. Thrive Market is a market where you can buy a lot of really good items. I'm not really good at describing things, but there's an app, and so I ordered this about maybe 3 days ago, and I just got it today. So the shipping is very quick. I ordered 11 items. So let's see. I know that I ordered keto noodles. So let's open it. All right. Oh wow, and the box is the contents are 100% recyclable and shipped with a carbon neutral footprint. So they're really all about nature also, by which I really like. And oh, this is so cute. It says right here, it's what's on the inside that counts. And they have another little comment and stuff. Oh, it says packed with love by Tom. That is the cutest thing ever. All right, let's take these things out. Here's this. I can recycle that. So I ordered oven baked pork rinds, and it has 40% less fat, with pink Himalayan plus sea salt. I got 2. So oven baked chips are really good for you. It's better than having it, what's it called? I forgot. But the serving size is 0.50 ounce per, yeah. So the serving size is 0.50 ounce. And the calories are 70 calories. Calories from fat, 25. There's no carbs. And there's 11 grams of protein. So that's really good. Just for a small amount of this, that's really good. Wow. Pork skins raised without antibiotics. It's gluten-free. It's oven-baked. And there was a lot of good reviews on this, so I got it. I was like, why not? Let me try it out. This always, I like chewing. I like eating things that are crunchy, and yeah. Okay. So, ooh, this is heavy. So then I got Think High Protein bars. I got the Lemon Delight, and it has 20 grams of protein. There you go. I thought it's really cute. And I was like, let me try something different, because I always get chocolate and stuff. But this will be my first time ever trying this brand, but I have seen it around. And this had really good reviews also, and the brand and other items. So one bar is 230 calories. It has 24 carbs. And of course it has 20 grams of protein. There's no added sugars, and that's good, especially if you're trying to limit your sugars. But yeah, it looks really, really good. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. And then I bought, what else? Oh, and then this is sea salt premium roasted seaweed. So I've always wanted to try this. I got 2. It was the cheapest one, but they also had a lot of really good reviews. So serving size is half the package, and it will be 25 calories. Total carb is only 1 gram, and yeah, it's pretty good. Really low in calories. Yeah, this won't hurt you. And it's organic, by which we like, and I got 2 of these. I've always wanted to try it. I was like, let me try it, and it was only only $1 for both of them. What else did I get? Oh, and then this is wrapped up. This is really cute. What did I get? I don't really remember. Oh wait, is this the rice paper? Oh no, this is the pesto artichoke like hold on, like sauce. Like you can use it as like a dip for chips, but I got it to put in like my to make like a kind of like a pasta. But yeah, it's pesto artichoke. Yeah. It's a pesto. There you go. There was good reviews on this too. So the serving size is 1 ounce. It holds 90 calories. The sodium is not bad, so everything looks good. So let's I hope it's good. If not, then somebody else would probably like it. And then in here is my noodles that I got. So these are like keto noodles. That's so cool. Okay, so these are gluten-free Wonder Noodles. They're non-GMO, soy-free fettuccine. There you go. And it holds, the serving size is 3.5 ounce. It's only 10 calories per serving. There's only 2 grams of carbs, and yeah, there was a lot of good reviews on these too. And when you use those noodles, you have to season it, you know, like season it. Use good seasonings so you won't complain and be like, this does not taste good alone. I mean, of course not. I mean, come on. I don't know, maybe it's only me and I season everything, okay? And then there's something else. Oh, here's my rice paper. So this is my, I'm really stupid. This is my Vietnamese spring roll rice paper. It's gluten-free, low calorie. But yeah, non-GMO, it's verified. So the nutrition facts is 16, so there's 16 servings per container. So the serving size is 3 wraps, so you can take 3 of the rice papers and then you can put whatever you want in it. You can make like a shrimp summer roll. So amount for per serving is 46 calories. The carbs is 11 grams. But yeah, everything is good. That's about it. Like, it's low in calories, and the carbs, it won't kill you, okay? Like, I don't know, with me, like my body, I need carbs. If not, I will die. But you need the good carbs. And I know I got something else. Oh, I got tofu. I think that's how you say it, tofu. Alright, so, dang, this is heavy. Okay, so this is the extra firm silken tofu. So I read the reviews, and a lot of people said that it's really, really soft and easy to utilize. It's not hard whatsoever. So the nutrition facts per container is the serving size is about 1 slice. Or you can measure it on like on a scale, on a food scale. The serving size is 3 ounce. Amount per serving is 45. There's no saturated fat. There's only 1 gram of carbs. The protein is 7 grams, which is really good. And one little small thing that's really good for 7 grams. Oh, and I got another one. I guess, because the other option, I only could get 2. I couldn't get 1. So, yeah. And then, just making sure I don't have anything else in here. Okay, that's it. That's all the food I got. But yeah, they gave me like a little thing. So yeah. Oh, that's cute. Their whole box is customized. Like at the bottom it says Thrive Together. It's honestly, in my opinion, it's really affordable. You just gotta be smart with what you look at. There's a lot of items that are very similar, but of course the prices are different. So you have to look at it and you have to read the reviews and you choose. You're the one who chooses. And I didn't pay a lot. I think I paid like $25 or something. And the shipping was free, I believe. Was it free? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm excited. Tomorrow, I don't know, it's either I might have salmon for tomorrow or I might cook some spring rolls. I'm gonna have to decide. I'm not sure. But yeah. So, and all these materials you can recycle. So don't forget, if you do purchase, you can recycle everything. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. But yeah, or maybe I should make like fettuccine noodles. And it tells you used by September 13th. Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to check out this business. I honestly, it looks pretty good. But it's good to buy snacks or keto snacks. We have a lot of different things for everyone. But yeah, it's called Thrive Market, and you can download that in the App Store. And yeah, anyways, guys, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay glowing.